Oza nendlebe ngize nendaba allegedly nganza kwethu yesterday there was an uproar
Allegedly
about indaba yama foreign nationals mhlambe umuntu before acacisa okunye akaqale ngokucacisa lokhu ukuthi my understanding of the communique kuleya letter mangiyifunda ukuthi iMK ibiphikisana nalento yokuamenda imithetho ye-immigration ngoba right now kunabantu aba-illegal eSouth Africa okanye abanga-accepteki ngesimanga sokuthi uHome Affairs akawenza umsebenzi and kuyavela futhi ukuthi kunabantu abakwazi ukusizakala quicker mhlambe abangafani nami ngokweskimu whereas abantu who are coming from African countries it takes time ukuthi bakwazi ukusizakala. So iMK isiqhelelanisa nesenzo seHome Affairs ukuthi ayikwazi ukuhendlila iissue yama foreign nationals ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthi mangabe beapply ama documents bawathole in time so that they can be here legally. So now I think maybe in that letter probably the wedding yabo and negama lokuthi illegal foreign which they were trying ukuthi balungisa ukuthi igama elingehli kahle ukuthi umuntu is an illegal foreigner whereas this person has tried to apply for ukuthi abe South Africa ngokusemthethweni. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngangithe angifuni ukuthi ngithole ngikule situation yokuchaza but uyabona we are busy sikhulisa iMK so kuba bhlungu ke uma ngabe sekuzoqhamuka iloophole efana nale ukuthi abantu sebengena ngenxeba ke manje ke sebefuna ukuthi hayi iMK sasishila ukuthi injani angithi niyabona nje silakho ukuthi silwisa indaba yama foreign nationals asebenza imisebenzi engeyona maskeskile eSouth Africa. So then there is no way ukuthi singamalungu eMK we can't be doing that while iMK does not support what we are doing. iMK 100% supports what we are doing. So manje ke abantu akungene nje ingqondweni zabo ukuthi there may have been an error but the main problem is how that letter was interpreted. Indlela mhlamba abantu abagcine sebeyihlaziya ngayo incwadi iyona ebeyinkinga kakhulu. Silungu sikanhlamulo mhlambe okanye sasalapha kwa communications suke saba above ugrade 12 yabo abantu abaphela ugrade 12 base bangayiqondi into ekhulunywayo lapha yayibona leyo kodwa nje njengoba ngisho njengoba silakho in alliance neMK party sicula izwe elilodwa umuntu akabe South Africa ngokusemthethweni abantu okumele basebenze imisebenzi yasemashop emagarage emafactory yonke lemisebenzi engadingi iskill thizeni esinganaso eSouth Africa eyabantu must be reserved for South Africans. Sicula izwe elilodwa lapho. So yekanike ukumaketha ngeMK ke manje senikhuluma izinto ezinegative mayelana naleya ncwadi. Ngibonile ukuthi sekuphume incwadi ekuqondisayo lokho. Kodwa nje bengifuna ukucacisa la ukuthi into ebibhodarisha iMK ukuthi the reason why in most cases we have illegal foreigners is because Home Affairs is failing to do umsebenzi wawo and bona bas distance kulokho and ukamenda iconstitution kube kuukuthi uhluleka ukwenza umsebenzi wakho it does not help. Implement izinto ozithembisile izinto ovuma ukuthi uzozenza and then you can amend the constitution thereafter ubone ukuthi lezi zinto lezi uzimplementile akusebenzeki hayi lento le eyenzakalayo. So that is the standpoint se-MK, of which is our standpoint as well. So yekani ukukhipha lento ngiyise kwenye i-direction engeyona.